Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word rapid. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The rapid growth of technology has revolutionized the way we communicate and work. Rapid means happening quickly or in a short amount of time. In the sentence, it describes the fast and significant progress of technology in changing the way we operate. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.